Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, TD Radebe, back on your screen once again. I am shooting this at it's 22:09. Oh my goodness, my phone has so dirty. I'm gonna show you guys the time, but my phone is like kinda dirty. Okay, anyway, it is if it decides to, there it goes off. Okay, whatever, doesn't matter now. Okay, it is the 8th of June and it's a Monday today and it's 22:09, and there was a subscriber of mine that asked me to, her name is MP Ram, and they basically just said that I should record a full week video of basically how I moisturize my hair midweek and how I basically just wash my hair. And the cool thing is that today is the second Friday of, well, since I did a protein treatment, so now I'm going to be doing a bentonite clay treatment thing on Friday. But for now, I'm going to be basically showing you guys how I moisturize, and I'm going to be showing you guys basically a day-to-day kind of vibe. But even I don't really moisturize every day because that would just be too excessive for my hair. So I basically only moisturize, it's the winter now, so I try to moisturize at least 4 times a week. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Yeah. So yeah, my hair, you will just see in a minute now. Right now it's looking very nourished, very nice, and this side, it's not that bad. I mean, look at that. This is just shine on its own and I haven't even touched it yet. And this one I just moisturized now and you can see. Okay, cool. Anyway, I am gonna be shooting this basically throughout the whole week. It's not gonna be perfect in terms of like quality and stuff because it's nighttime and I'm not about to be changing my apertures and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna, it's winter in my country. I'm in South Africa, and I just put my aloe vera juice in warm water and my oil in hot water. If you don't know how I made these, I'll just like link up a video up there, and then you guys will basically see how I created these. And also guys, I just actually turned 25 on the 4th of June, and let me just zoom in. This is how my hair is looking right now. I haven't really moisturized, but you guys can tell that, I mean, it's still looking quite moisturized, hey. But I do have some split ends that I have to snip off, but I will show you guys how I basically how I take care of these babies. I mean, look at that. Ooh, look, you see, there's so many of them I have to take care of. Anyway, so I just recently turned 25, and I have been on this journey of just letting go of being perfect and just accepting where I am in life and being okay with not knowing what the next step is, and always just not always trying to be in control so much. And yeah, and just not falling for the pressure, you know, of being 25 and having to have it all figured out and knowing your next career move and knowing what you're going to be doing in the next 10 years. There's so much going on right now in the world, and honestly speaking, trying to beat yourself about you knowing everything and understanding where you're going to be in the next 10 years is a bit ridiculous. I think what you can do for now is just accept where you are and be present where you are, and just kind of try to create as much as you can for yourself, and also do a lot of self introspection, and just allow for the universe to do what it needs to do. You know, I feel like this quarantine is teaching a lot of us to be on our own. There's so many Netflix series and movies you can watch. Eventually you're gonna have to sit down and face those emotions that you've been trying to kind of just avoid more than anything. So I think doing your self-work, well, yeah, doing self-work right now can be quite beneficial. I'm just gonna base my scalp a little bit because it's a bit dry, and then I'm gonna go in with a leave-in conditioner. And yeah, I'm trying to finger detangle as much as I can, really. Shea butter over here, and I'm gonna go back in with the oil to seal in a weird way, but just like, I guess, for extra shine. And yeah, this is basically, yeah, you see, oh man, nicely hydrated. Okay, cool. I'm just going to fast check this, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. Okay, let me just show you how my hair looks. Ooh, yeah, see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye and sleep well. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair off camera. Okay, good morning, y'all. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how I basically just style my hair. And the thing about me is that I normally just let my hair do whatever it wants. It is 10:30 and it's the 9th of June today. And yeah, okay, let's see what we've got under here. So guys, I'm just basically going to unravel my hair, and my hair was still pretty damp in the morning, so I had to just kind of put it up in a puff, just so it doesn't shrink any further, because then that would have been a mess because I was running errands this specific day. I'm going to basically just twist up the front of my hair, let it sit for like 20 minutes, basically just dry a bit further, and then unravel that, and you guys will see the style shortly. I did record how I basically braided up my hair at night, but you will see on Wednesday morning I didn't use any products, guys. My hair was still very much moisturized at night, so I just put it up in a large 2 chunky twists, and you will see just now. Then I'm only going to be moisturizing my hair using my aloe vera, and it's warm, and my oil, it's warm, and I'm also going to be using this Dark and Lovely's plating pudding cream. I didn't want to use a heavy moisturizer on my hair. And yes, guys, so I didn't want to use a heavy moisturizer on my hair because, as you can tell, my hair is still very much moisturized from Monday's moisturizing routine that I did. um I'm just gonna be basically showing you guys how I do like an African threading, but it's not gonna be detailed because if you haven't checked out the video, this video is already out, and some of the footage actually has not been released yet in this video, but I'll share a snippet of it with you guys. Also, shout out to my subscriber that said I have a nice voice. I'm pretty insecure about it. But yeah, I thought with time, I guess with time I'll start liking it. But basically, guys, I'm not going to be rambling too much over this part of the video because the video is already up on my channel. I will also leave, just to make your life a little bit more simple, I'll leave it up there. And guess what, we're on Friday already, and this is the results, guys. Again, if you want a detailed video on this, please do go check out the African threading versus, I think, braid out. That's what I labeled it. This is kind of, I'm just showing you guys how my hair look like. And then later on Friday, I did put my hair again in a twist, a large 2 flat twists, and I just kind of styled it. And this is just me. I didn't record any footage like on my camera. This is just me complaining about my skin because people like to say I've got perfect skin, and it's really, that's not the case. Then we are on Monday. So basically, Saturday we didn't do much to my hair. Sunday we left it in the same hairstyle into flat twists. And now I'm using rice water. This is the unreleased footage I am talking about. Oh my gosh, you guys are so lucky. Oh, I feel bad now. So what are you guys gonna, okay, I'm going to obviously post this video on Friday, but if you want to know why my curls are this defined and what's that thing on my hair, what is my hair, if you want, you can comment as to what is that I have on my hair and what's causing my curls to pop like this. Oh my goodness. But guys, we are at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I was pretty tired, but I'm going to show you how I look and just do my outro. Thanks for watching. Bad. It is 2 degrees. Okay. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. I know I look a hot mess, but it is what it is. Bye, y'all.